tickle me! I'm gonna sneeze! Stop!
Oh my god, 助かる
No! No! No!
助かる
My god! Your tail! Your tail! Stop! Yada! Yada! I'm gonna face him. I'm gonna look this way. I'm not sneezing. I'm not sneezing now.
Do it. Do it,
Yada.
Dayo.
Yada.
The fans are waiting.
Yada!
We are waiting. I would
Oh.
like a sneeze.
Oh
I
my
require a
goodness.
sneeze. I want a
Oh.
sneeze. If you don't
Your
give me a
fur
sneeze
is
right
getting
now,
to my
Henya, if you don't
eyes!
give
It hurts!
get the fuck give me a sneeze and I'll stop.
Stop it, Chihuahua! I'm not sneezing.
Fuck. Okay, how do I do the Twitch thingy majingy?
Oh, I can offer you a collab, I guess. Hold on, ちょっと待って。
Oh my gosh, she's offering me a collabo. Henyas-chan, I would like to tell you from the bottom of my heart something.
Yeah?
It's gonna be between you and me, obviously, because obviously our chats don't listen. I know
Okay.
my chat never listens to me. I don't know about you. So it's gonna be between you and me.
Okay.
I done a fuck up.
You did?
I done did a fuck up.
You fucked up? What happened?
You see, I managed to schedule 2 collabs in one day, one after the other. When I thought it was tomorrow with us. I even double checked the dates yesterday and it supposedly my memory just erased it. And then my phone turned off the Google Calendar notifications from a fucking update. And I want to kill myself right now, but it's okay. It's okay, Henyas-chan. You're gonna kill my smile and my depression. I know it.
Tenma-chan, I think you're very tired. You need to take a rest, Dayo.
No!
You're
Do
just
not
so
say the R
tired.
word. Don't say the R word.
You're tired, Dayo.
Don't say that. Not even the T word.
You need rest. Rest now. You
I
need
didn't
that.
get the notification. Send me again.
Oh, wait, really? Okay, hold on. Let me
thank you.
try it.
I'm just built different, Sonny.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna send you a link, so maybe you can join from here, maybe?
Iyo. Thank you.
どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。join session. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's not a stream manager. Oh, okay. I'm gonna mute here. I think I muted now.
I think it worked.
Mute.
I think it worked.
Oh, we should chat. Oh my god, what if my chat and your chat hold hands under the moonlight?
Holding hand? Is it?